pretty good. Thrown along by Pietrangelo. The jam play at the front, kicks back out. Hurried shot, and that blocked off. Another try. They score! Schwartz!
Jaden Schwartz. Watch what happens. This puck finds him. It's blocked. Comes right back to him. Corey Crawford looking for it. Out over the top. Ends up going between the legs.
Yeah, Sheldon Brookbank made the initial block, but that time the seeing eye shot 20.
The finish, and they're able to do it. And so it is Keith ahead. And then it's dragged on by Nordstrom. Nordstrom, a shot. Blocked down by Elliott. Scramble for it there. It's loose across the net. Oh, it's thrown in front. Elliott got a piece of that from Nordstrom. And then back ahead, carried on by David Backes.
His whole career, and last year he moved them over to the right. Pretty remarkable how he can adapt and plays both sides equally as well.
Excellent, coach. You betcha.
A steal by Berglund, a breakaway, and a save made by Crawford. They are lining guys up. That was Reeves letting one go on Hanzus. Not as big as many in this period, but it's sent around behind for Ben Smith, trying to march to the front. Swings one off of Elliott. Up high, but into his catching glove. Bickle with a feed, taken along by Morin, and just off the tip of the stick of Leddy. Leddy swung one off of Elliott in front. Oh, and that one was a great opportunity for Bickle, and they're still looking for it, and Bickle has it again. Bickle around behind. Team a couple of years ago that was also a national champion. This one is controlled back out again and then blocked down and carried back on by Bickle, able to step by Jackman and shoot one that is blocked. A run off there by Shaw, and then a healthy rocking sort of hit from Key. Fed to the back now, Bouwmeester slams one off the boards, finessed on the backhand by Oshie, settled down but it kicked on across and denied by Pietrangelo. He's able to play along to the corner play by Schwartz. Schwartz took a couple of whacks but marched ahead, curls around behind and looks, and a shot to the front of the net, and tumbling players there and lurching out and able to cover was Crawford. Lobbed around behind away from Brookbank, coming along Toliakovo.
That was out with the hit.
Fed back on Backes, a shot. It's held by Crawford, a strong wrister, but lightning-like reflexes on the part of that guy. In the league too, they're pretty good. Here's a shot that went wide by Bickle. The matter is responding to what happened. Here's a chance and a shot, and Elliott responded big there on Morin, and the wraparound from Bickle will not work. This is punched around behind by Hjalmarsson and back up the boards where it must be settled down, and for a moment was not by Shattenkirk, and a 2-on-1, and it's Morin across, and a shot. Sharp! Settled down now by Ott, and Ott plays it back across and neutralized. Gathered in and carried in by Nordstrom now. Nordstrom, a shot, rattled off the pipe! It's in! On the rebound, it's Kruger!
To talk about possible matchups and whatever, but a lot of hockey to be played in a very short period of time.
It is 8 days as ahead with this now, and driving on is Regan, and he shoved a shot that went wide. So it by LaPierre, and then it kicked on back and was left behind by Reeves. Carried ahead and right back up the wing comes Sharp. A lot of moves, and what'll he do? Drop it off to Hossa. Save made by Elliott, and he will cover. And this one has popped off Reeves. Speaking of physical presence, Schwartz with a pass that is squirmed along now by Sobotka. Nicely held in and played across by Pietrangelo, and a shot by Bouwmeester, and the rebound nudged across, and then Versteeg is able to poke it along. Roosevelt bringing it on and laying it ahead now for Hanzus. You always figure a heavy conference and divisional schedule might lead to some of that. This is a nice stop there and a scoop away by Crawford on the shot by Sobotka. Older guy, but he gets there first and makes a good play with it. Here is Backes starting ahead now. The captain of the Blues got it up the wing. Sobotka there, and a shot. Score!